Morning.
This conference will now be recorded.
Ratan sir, good morning. Sir, please, can you please stop the recording for a while?
Stop the recording.
Yeah, can you please, sir, stop the recording?
This conference will now be recorded.
Because yesterday class we done the set examples, right? Set examples we done the tree set. What is the difference between list and set? Guys, what is the difference between list and set? The main difference between list and set is like, if you want allows the duplicate objects, you can go for list classes. If you don't want duplicate objects, simply you can go for the set classes, right? List class and what set classes. A set contains how many implementation classes? Total 4 implementation classes. Has set, linked as, sorry, 3 implementation classes. Has set, linked as set, and what tree set, right? Exactly. So day 6 and we done, and day 6, day 7 collection sorting is done. Day 8. Then day 7 completed. I think day 8 also completed, which is like in set data, set classes. Please mute. Somebody is doing Guru. Just you check your segments. Yeah. Okay, so we'll start the map data, guys, which is like day 9 almost. So day 9, we will see like map data. Map data, guys. If you take the map data now, guys, map. Up to now we're discussing collection, guys. Collection to storing like one object at a time, right? The collections are storing one object at a time, guys. Up to now collections you are storing like only one object. Array list at add of 10, add of 20, add of 30. Storing like how many objects at a time, guys? Only one object at a time. Something like array list al equal to what? Array list al equal to new array list of, then we are adding like al dot add of, just I'm adding the 10. Just I'm adding like 10. I'm adding like a list add of 10, 20, 30, something like this. You can take the data. Yeah. So collections are used to store how many objects at a time, guys? Collections are used to store the only one object at a time, right? Exactly 10, 20, 30 like this. Coming to the map, guys, map is used to store the two objects at a time in the form of the key value pairs. Okay. Map is used to store how many objects? Two objects at a time in the form of the key value pairs. See guys here, hash map, integer and string, h equal new hash map of integer comma string, right? To add the data into the map, guys, hash map, so we can go for the put method, 111, 222, 333, right? Exactly. Guess map contains the implementation classes like hash map, linked hash map, and a tree map. Guess hash map and linked hash map and a tree map. And hash map is having the sorted map. Sorted map is from the navigable map. So finally, map implementation classes are what? Hash map, linked hash map, tree map. If you observe the set data, set contains implementation class like has set, linked as set, tree set, right? As has set, linked as set, tree set. In the same way, hash map, linked hash map, tree map is there, right? Exactly same behaviors, guys. Okay, collection versus map means what? The collections are storing the one object at a time. Map is storing the two objects at a time in the form of what? Key value pair format, right? In the form of what? Key value pairs, guys. This is a syntax to store the key value pairs format. Sir, what is the advantage of the key value pairs format? Yes, map is used to store the two objects at a time in the form of the key value pair format. Here key is object and value is also object. Yes, here key is what, which object here? Integer object. Value is which object? Guys, string object, right? Yes, key is like integer object. Value is like which object here? String object, right? Exactly. The key value pair is also known as entry, guys. Okay. The key value pair we can call it as entry. It means this map contains how many entries now? Guys, the key value pair is also known as entry. Then this map contains how many entries now? 3 entries are there, right? Exactly. Guys, in the map, the keys must be unique keys. Duplicates are not allowed, guys. Keys must be unique keys. Values can be duplicated. It's not a problem. Yes, values can be duplicated, right? Keys must be unique keys, right? 111, 222, 333, and values can be duplicated. Ratan, Anu, and what? Ratan, right? Exactly. Guys, map is used to store the two objects at a time in the form of the key value pairs. Here the key is object and value is also object. Here key is object and what? Value is also object, right? The key value pair is also as entry, guys. The map contains group of entries, right? Yeah, in the map, keys must be unique keys, guys. Values can be duplicated. Yes, values can be duplicated, right? Exactly. Yes, what is the advantage of map means project level, where exactly we will use the map, the scenarios we will use the map, guys. Actually, the spring classes, the first advantage, guys. Spring classes, if number of clients are requested, for every client, it has to create one object at server side. Assume like at server side, for every client is creating one object. Yeah, for every client is creating one object. Yes, for every client is creating one object. In that case, actually they store the group of objects in the hash map. They will store the group of objects in the hash map. Every object contains ID, right? ID in the sense like reference, right? That object references becomes the keys. Objects are becomes the values. Yes, object references becomes the keys. Objects becomes what? Values, right? Yes, you got the clarity now. At server side, we have the huge number of objects, guys. It has to store all the objects, and it is storing all the objects in the form of yes, storing all the objects in the form of what? Hash map. Why these all objects are storing hash map means because every object contains references. The references becomes what? Yes, the references becomes keys. References becomes the keys. Objects becomes the values. Is that clear now? These are called references, guys. Usman, are you clear? References becomes the keys. References becomes the keys. Objects becomes the values. References must be unique, right? Maybe object is duplicated, but references are must be unique or not. References must be unique, right? That's the first advantage, guys. This is like Spring classes. What I storing the data actually. Even I am teaching Hadoop classes previously. When I teach the Hadoop classes, Hadoop means what? Big data, huge data. From the huge data, assume like I want to count every word is occurred how many times. Every word is occurred how many times to count the number of words, guys. Word occurrence. Guys, to count the word occurrence, then what happened here? Every word must be unique, right? See, Ratan is there like 5 times are there. Ratan becomes the keys, guys. The word becomes the keys. The corresponding occurrences becomes the value. Yes, Ratan becomes how many times total here? 5 times, right? Anu becomes how many times? 2 times we got. Again, ease is there. Ease is coming like 5 times. Maybe definitely the words must be unique, right? The words must be unique, but number of occurrences may be duplicated. That's what the words we can take as a key. The number of occurrences we can take as a value, right? Yes, definitely yes or no. So that's what to count the word occurrences, guys. To count the word occurrences, we can take the hash map data. In the hash map, the number of words is becomes the keys. Number of occurrences becomes the values. Yes, sir. No, this is the second advantage I feel actually. The third one, I decided like when I'm doing the product based company, guys, when I'm working with a product based company, actually the product free for the 10 users, free for the 10 user accounts. Free for the 10 users means what? Some same IP address, we got the 10 requests, right? There's the same IP address, how many hittings I want to get. If same IP address, if you get the 10th, 11th count, I don't want allows you to create the data, right? I don't want you the permission. In that case, when the request is coming to my project, I have to take that IP address or not, and I have to take the number of accounts that is created, right? From this IP address, they are making like five requests. This IP address, they're making like 10 requests. This IP address, they're making like 5 requests. It means I want to store like the corresponding IP address. Definitely IP address are unique, right? I want to store the IP addresses and I want to store the corresponding occurrences, right? Number of hits, right? Exactly. In that case, to store the number of IP addresses, you can go for the keys because these are must be unique and values can be what? Duplicate, right? Number of yes, number of
hits.
Number of hits will become the values, right? Exactly. Yes, number of hits becomes the values, right? Exactly. Is that clear now? All should be meaningful, right? Why the map is used means to store the object references and objects, to store the word and the number of occurrences, to store the IP address and number of hits. This all becomes meaningful, right? The fourth case, guys. This is like IP address and the number of hits, IP and the number of hits, right? Exactly. Guys, fourth case I observed like in the form pages, guys. Actually, form pages, what happened, at server side, we are writing the code. In the server side, when you write the code, we have to get the form data. Every text field, guys, the text field contains logical names. Yes, username, password, assume like only two text fields are there, username, password. Every text field contains logical name. At server side, I have to get the text field data. Actually, from the form page in Angular, from the form page, the data is coming like logical names and corresponding values. I want to store like all the text field logical names and corresponding values. In that case, every text field logical name, every text field contains a logical name. Every text field is having the unique logical name, right? Guys, every
Yes.
text field contains logical name or not? Then
Yes.
the text field logical name becomes the key actually. And the text field contains the value, right? Assume like username, Ratan, password also Ratan. Username Ratan, password Ratan means what? No problem, right? Generally.
So,
But
Ratan,
logical name of this,
by POM you means page object model?
not that one. Generally, login pages, registration forms, right? These forms actually in the web application level.
Okay.
Web application level, those forms generally you can go for this one. Text field, every text field contains unique logical name, so that's what logical name becomes the keys, the corresponding value. Because username text field is there, password text field is there. Two text field logical names must be different, but value may be same, right? I entered Ratan and Ratan only. Okay, yeah, these kind of data, guys, where we have the situation like key and value, two values I want to store, just like objects references and object ID objects, and the word and number of occurrences, IP address, number of hits, logical names and corresponding values. These all cases where we have the data like key value pairs, then you're going for the map data, guys. Map is also bit important, definitely. So to store the key value pair, right? Yeah, guys, map is finally got some clarity. Okay, up to now we're discussing collection. Collection is storing only one object at a time. So one object, but map is used to store one object at key value pair format. Guys, map is used to store key value pair format, right? Yeah. Here keys must be unique keys, guys. Values can be duplicates. Keys must be unique keys, guys. Okay. And duplicate keys are not allowed. Here key value pair is also known as what? The key value pair is also known as entry, right? Then the map contains how many entries, guys? Guys, map contains how many entries? The map contains like what? Map contains like a group of key value pairs, right? Group of key value, group of entries are there, right? Map contains multiple entries, guys. This is like key value pairs to store the data. Yes. Meanwhile, let me check the API documentation so that we'll get some more clarity. So they'll give some more information, right, regarding key value pairs. We are getting entries so that we'll get the more clarity. Yeah, go to the Google. So Java 8 API documentation. Java 8 API is there. Java 8 API is there. So article docs. So we equate the package, like which package, guys? Java dot. Which package? Java dot util package here. If you click on the map, you'll get any information. Let me check once regarding map. If you click on the map, let's see this map here. The map contains implementation classes. It is all our implementation classes, guys. Out of this implementation classes, top level class are hash map, linked hash map, tree map. This is like hash map, guys. This is like linked hash map. This is like tree map, right? Yeah. See this message, guys. Map is interface here. An object maps key to the values. Mapping the keys to the values, guys. Is an object maps to. I think an object that maps keys to values, right? Mapping the data, guys. Both values can map. The map cannot contain duplicate keys. Each map must at most value, at most one value. Each key can map to at most one value. Guess at most, at most one value, right? Exactly. This interface takes the place of dictionary class. Which is totally abstract class rather than interface. Okay, actually, before map, guys, what we are using dictionary. So in the JDK, because the map is introduced in which version, guys? Map is introduced collection, right? Collections are introduced in 1.2 version. Before the collection, we're going for the dictionary classes, guys. If you want, you can check the dictionary class. Dictionary class, if you want, you can see dictionary. A, B, C, D. Yeah, dictionary is there. You can check the dictionary, guys, now. When the dictionary is introduced. Yeah. See the dictionary, guys. Dictionary is dedicated from 1.10 version, right? So exactly, guys. Note this class as a absolute implementation map. Yeah. New implementation should be implemented map interface rather than extending this class, right? Exactly. It means this is completely outdated, guys, dictionary data. So we don't need to take care about the dictionary data, right? Exactly. Before dictionary, we have before map, we have the dictionary, right? Guys, if you see, this is a map. When the map is introduced, if you want, you can see map is introduced in JDK 1.2 version, definitely. So series one, since which version, guys, here? 1.2 version, right? Yeah, since it is from 1.2 version, right? Exactly. Guys, you got the clarity now what I'm talking? Yeah, before map we are using like a dictionary, guys, but dictionary is completely outdated, so we don't need to focus on what dictionary, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because the map interface provide the collection views, which allows the map content to be viewed as a set of keys, collection of values, and key values both, right? Exactly. Because this point I can say like actually the map contains a key value page, right? To get the set of keys, we are going for the key set method. If you want to get only keys, like only API addresses, only words occurrences, only object references, or only logical name, sir, I want to get only all logical names first. I want to see how many logical names are there. Then you can go for the key set method. No, sir, I want to see like number of hits, only number of hits, I only number of values or number of occurrences. If you want only values means which one you can use, guys? Values method we can use. Yes, only keys means what? Key set we can use. Only values method means only values if you need to see values you can use, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Values you can see, right? Values we can see, right? Exactly. Very clear now? Yeah. If you want both key value pairs, guys, then how can we get the key value pairs? Means we have the like entry set is there. That's what he's saying, the point, like which is viewed as a set of keys. Set of keys means key set method, or collection of values. Collection of values means values method, or set of key value mappings. If you want to get set of key value mappings means what? Entry set method, right? Because why entry set method means what? Key value pair is also known as what? Entry, right? Yes, key value pair is also known as what? Entry. That's what we have to get the entry set method, right? Exactly, guys. To get all the keys, guys, key set method. To get all the values, use values method. To get the key and values, use what? Use what? Entry set method, right? Yes, use what? Entry set method, right? Exactly. Yes, any questions, please? Good. Guys, coming to the hash map versus linked hash map. So what is different between hash set and linked hash set? Do you remember that one? Hash set and linked hash set. What is the difference? Main difference. Guys, hash set versus linked hash set. What is the main difference? If you go for the hash set versus linked hash set, the main difference is what? Hash set insertion knot is not preserved. There is no guarantee on the data. But linked hash set insertion knot is preserved, right? Guarantee on the data, right? Guys, the difference between the hash set and linked hash set is what? Hash set insertion knot is not preserved. Linked hash set insertion knot is preserved, right? The same point he mentioned here. Yeah. See, guys, being specific the guarantee as there are like hash map the class do not. Hash map class does not means what? Hash map class insertion not is present, not preserved. Not preserved, right? So if you want, you can check the class here. Hash map is there. Yeah, if you check the hash map, see guys, it contains what? K comma type of key maintained by this map. Value means what, guys? The type of the mapped values, right? The type of the mapped values. So this is like implementation class is hash table, guys. So internally hash based implementation, hash table based implementations. So hash map internally storing the data which format, guys? Hash table format. Yes, even set is also storing the data internal implementation hash table only. Even map also storing the data hash table format only. So hash map internal uses which algorithm is hash table data structure. Hash map internal uses like hash table data structure implementation, hash table based implementation of map interface, right? Yes or no? It permits null values. It permits the null values and null keys also. It's not a problem. Null values and null keys. But you see this message guys, this class makes no guarantee as to the order of this map. No guarantee in the order of the map means what guys? Any insertion order is present? Guess any insertion order is present. There is no insertion order, right? Exactly. Hmm? Good. Yes, here also internal data structure is hash table. That's what we get the initial capacity and load factor concepts here. Initial capacity and what? Load factor. The default load factor is what guys? 0.75, 0.75. Yes, the default load factor is what? 0.75. The default capacity is like 16 guys. Default capacity is what? 16, right? This is one 1.2 version guys. Yeah, this is also contains of 4 constructors. One is like construct an empty hash map. If the default initial capacity is how much here? 16th capacity. Default load factor is what? 0.75. No, sir, I want specify my own initial capacity. Construct an empty hash map, specified initial capacity, and the default load factor is 0.75. Specified initial capacity and load factor is by default 0.75. But a third constructor is construct an empty hash map with the specified initial capacity and load factor. Use specified data. Fourth construct is like adding the map. Adding map means what? Construct a new hash map with the same mapping with the specified map, right? It means nothing but previously adding one collection into another collection. Here the collection data is there. But now here collection data is there, map data is there. Yes, now here it is collection data, map data, right? Because adding one map data into what? Another map, right? Exactly. So the main difference between the hash map and linked hash map is hash map insertion order is not preserved. There is no order, it's not an ordered collection, it's not an ordered map, but linked hash map is ordered map, right? Linked hash map is ordered map. Yes, if you want, you can check the linked hash map here. This is my linked hash map. Yes, linked hash map, linked hash map. So yes, linked hash map. This is also like hash table and linked list implementation. Guys, it means linked hash map internally follows like a hash table and linked list implementations, guys, the first line itself is saying the internal implementation. It means in the linked hash map the data is stored in which format, guys? Hash table and linked list implementation of map interface, right? So with a predictable iteration order, guys, with the predictable iteration order, right? It means it follows insertion order or not, guys? Yes or no? It follows insertion order, right?
Yes,
Exactly.
sir.
Because I clearly told you previously also, don't create the object like linked hash map, linked hash map equal new linked hash map. Instead of that, you can take the map, copy equal new linked hash map, right? This is a perfect syntax, guys. So this holder, like this holder can hold any type of bulb, right? That's what this holder can hold any type of bulb. So this map can hold any type of implementation class object, right? Exactly, guys. Then this is also contains same constructors.
Here map is
Ah,
interface, right?
exactly. Even the
Okay.
interface can hold implementation class objects, right?
Yeah. Yes,
Ah,
sir. So we can create an object alone here.
Sir, map is
ah.
completely different from collections or it is part of a collection?
What you understood of, up to now, what we discussed, based on our discussion.
You said collections have two parts. I mean, root, what are the root class of map? A root interface,
Map only.
map
Two,
only.
two
And for
different parts.
collections, these are
Root interface collection.
two different things, completely
Yeah,
different things,
exactly.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
completely different things. It means there we can store the one object at a time. Here we can store the data. Key is mapped with value.
Key value pair. I know. Key
Ah, okay, good. Where this linked hash map is since from which version onwards? 1.4 version onwards here, and which contains a constructor like 4 constructors, guys, as usual here. Linked hash map, yeah, linked hash map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Axis order. I think this axis order when they're introduced, actually it is not there in the previous version. Constructor linked hash map instance and ordering mode and ordering mode means the ordering mode true false for insertion order. True for axis order. False for insertion order. Because maybe linked hash map insertion order is preserved, right? But if you make the false means maybe insertion order is not preserved. The meaning is like that. Axis order. Yeah, I will check once and I'll update you regarding the fifth constructor. But anyway, it contains total 5 constructors are there. What are the 5 constructors, guys? Yeah, one is like default constructor empty insertion order, empty insertion order, linked hash map instance, default initial capacity is 16 as usual, and the load factor is 0.75. Next one is initial capacity constructor empty insertion ordered. You saying clearly insertion order, right? Insertion order data. Yeah, previously I think I copied the data from the copied the constructors, but I didn't find this. Maybe the updated data. It's fine. First, let me check this linked hash map constructors and hash map constructors. First is hash map. Yeah, linked hash map, guys. Linked hash map contains total how many constructors, guys? It contains almost all 5 constructors, right? Here are the 5 constructors about the linked hash map. This is the first example about the hash map. Second example about the linked hash map. You can see. Yeah. This linked hash map contains total how many constructors means total 5 constructors are there. So linked hash map, this is like constructor empty insertion order linked hash map, right? Constructor empty insertion order linked hash map, constructor linked hash map, constructor map adding one collection data into what another one map data into what another map, right? Exactly. Guys, if you go for the first one is like hash map, you understood the main difference is what? Hash map insertion order is present, not preserved.
Not
Just tell me the points about the hash map. Hash map the points which is from the 1.2 version anyhow. The first one is what? Map is used to store which format, guys? Data in the key value pair format, right? Map is used to store the data in the key value pair format. And yeah. Just give me a second. Let me make this material very good. Yeah, so the map is used to store the key value pairs format, guys, which is nothing but objects. Key is object and value is also object, right? Here key is object, value is also object. The first point, guys. The second point is what the keys must be. Keys must be in the map. Keys must be unique keys, guys. Values can be duplicated. That can be second point here. And the third point is implementation, guys. Hash map is for the this is like what type of implementation, guys? It is, guys, hash table implementation of map interface, right? Yeah, this is like hash table based implementation of map interface, guys. It means hash map underlying data such is what hash table, right? Exactly. Yes, fourth one is what null. When coming to null, guys, and permits null map operations and permits null values and null keys also, right? Exactly. So it permits null values and what null keys, guys. The fifth point is what methods are synchronized, non-synchronized. Okay, these implementations are synchronized, non-synchronized. Note that these implementations are what synchronized, non-synchronized, not synchronized, right? Exactly. I think these are the 5 points, right? And one more point you will get here. Map is to store the. This is like map is used to store the hash map. Yeah, fine. Right. This is ordered or unordered collection. The first point you can say hash map is what hash map ordered or unordered.
insertion order is not.
Guys, tell me again. There is no guarantee. This class makes no guarantee as a to order of the map, right? Exactly. This hash map is no guarantees the order of the map, right? This class makes no guarantee as to the order of the map. Okay. Okay, these are the 5 points, guys. Is that clear? First one is like store the key value pairs, keys object, values are object. There is no guarantee on the order. The map contains the keys must be unique keys, values can be duplicated. This is like hash table implementation class. Permits null keys and null values. Note these implementations are not synchronized. Now it is good, right? Exactly. And it has hash map contains how many constructors, guys? Constructors. How many constructors we have total? 4 constructors, guys. No. Linked hash map contains 5 constructors, but here it contains 4 constructors. Yeah, these are the 4 constructors are there, right? Exactly. There are the 4 constructors, guys. One is like construct a new hash map. Default initial capacity 16 and default load factor is 0.75. Initial capacity constructor. Initial capacity constructor. This is the first constructor, guys. This is second constructor. This is like constructor. This is like fourth constructor, right? Exactly. Guys, can you take one example about the map?
Sir,
Map,
here load factor means point.
Load factor representing the memory in the hash table, because here underlying data structure is what? Hash table. Underlying data structure is hash table means internally data stored in which format? Hash table format, right? It means in the hash table the data stored memory representations are load factor format. You Guru, try to just Google some information about load factor and load factor regarding hash table, and tomorrow please tell to everyone regarding load factor. Rani and Guru, to both of you, and even
Okay.
with Vidya also. Reminding us, if anyone is fine, just you try to Google it and try to get some information on load factor and try to tell to everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow, first
Do we
5
have
minutes, I need.
do we have class tomorrow?
Wait, we have the class regularly, man.
No, actually, sir, you are taking a different batch at this time. That's why I'm asking you.
No, a batch is not, no. Tomorrow I have the class. Tomorrow I have the class, next class we have, up to collections ending, I'll take the class regularly, no issues. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, next one is what name you can take here. The name like, this is like hash map example. Your batch is important for me, man. You
Sir,
guys
you
are
are
important.
so important for us. You are also important for us, sir.
Because your class I'm uploading videos in YouTube, right? So that I have to take care about every class and I have to take care about the content. That's what, see, this much data is prepared. If it is a normal class means I do you think I'll write this much theory? If it is a normal class. Just I will explain that constructors. I will tell you this example. That's it. Completed today.
Sir, not only theory, because we have paid the lifetime fee, sir. That's why you are very important.
Okay.
So we
But
can join any batch, anytime,
yes,
anywhere.
no, guys, see how clearly I'm taking the class regarding map data. Tell me every point we are looking under API documentation, and every point we copied, and we are getting the clarity about all the points, right?
So in other class, you don't take like this, sir?
Not like that, but I didn't focus on this theory copying and reading the API documentation. This much I will not focus.
Okay.
Time constraint, right?
I know.
That's what. Yeah. Even see, maybe some guys are thinking like live classes more information, video classes less information. But when coming to my point of view, this class I'll give the more information, live classes blah blah blah.
Yeah. Makes
Not
sense.
that kind. But theory means I'll never focus much in the live classes. Focus on practicals. But here both you have to do. Actually, for me, regular classes map will take only 1 day. Generally in live classes. But
Only
here
1 day.
maybe all about the key value pairs, right? So all about the key value pairs. But I have to copy some theory and all. Okay, fine, guys. Listen. Because everyone will see this recorded session, right? Then they'll think like Ratan sir live classes. Blah blah. Yeah, so this is like a hash map, guys. I'll write one example of the hash map and we'll wind up the class today. Yeah, this is you see the example, guys. Once here you can take the hash map example, click on finish, click on finish. Just you can take this hash map of integer and string, guys. Guys, what this hash map contains? See this code here. I'm creating a hash map with key and value. Here keys are what? Guys, here keys are what type of data?
Integer.
Keys are integer. Values are what? Strings, right? These are integers and values are strings, right? I'm adding total how many key value pairs total here? So 4 key value pairs, right? Exactly. Because I'm printing the key value pairs. But the hash map is ordered or not ordered? Yeah, this is ordered or not ordered. This is like unordered, right? So what? See the output case maybe we got some different output. we got some different output. This is basically like unordered data. So Eclipse ID, how much time? Yeah. See guys, we got the 222 first, 444 next, 33 and 111, right? Definitely it's ordered and ordered. Definitely it's unordered, right? Exactly. Sir, I want only keys, sir. If you want only keys, you can go for the key set method, guys. So see this message like key set return type is what? What is the key set method return type? Eclipse is today very slow. Guys, key set method you can see the key set method return type is like see this return type guys here. There's always an Eclipse side itself. We have to check what are the return types and all. So here, what is the return type of the key set method now? Guys, the key set method return type control space key set return type is what set, right? It is key set, guys. Key set return type is what to set. Returns a set of keys contain this map, right? Exactly. The key set return type is like set, guys. That's what I'm holding the data using set of keys are what type of data? Keys are integers, right? Can I make the generic version is an integer format, right? Exactly, guys. So now we are getting the keys data. After keys data, this is our control space printing yes here. I want to get the values, guys. H dot can I use values method? Read this message, guys. The values method return type is what? Collection. Returns a collection views of values contain this map, right? Yeah. Return type is a collection, guys. That's what values we can call. The values return type is what? Collection, right? So that you can take the collection of collections, I think collection only. So collection of which data, guys, here? String data. So collection C, we can do collection of values, guys. Collection of values is our control space. C, I'm taking the keys of, yeah. Collection C, I can take the values, right? As if we run this code up to now, first case we are getting the both key and values. Second case we are getting only keys. Key set method, guys. Second case we are getting the only values, like values method, guys. Values method, right? Exactly. If I want to get the both key and values both. To get the both key and values for the method name we have to use entry set method we have to use. Entry set method, guys. The entry set method return type is a set. Okay, set SS you can take something like this. Okay, see, but key set means what? Integers will return. Values means what? Strings return. But entry set means what happened here? We'll get the both key and values, right?
Yes.
Yes, you'll get the both key and values or not. When you get the both key and values, guys, here that key value we can call it as an entry. We can represent that key and value using entry, guys. Yes, only keys means the integers, only values means the strings. Both key values means what? That we can call it as an entry. Then generic type we have to take what? Entry, right? Yes, you
Yes.
got the clarity. Yeah. Entry of again we have to pass like integer comma string, right? Exactly. Yes, integer comma string. We have to store like java dot util dot map dot entry interface is there. Guys, keys means what? Key set. Values means what? Values are strings. But entry set means what? Both key and values. To represent the both key and values, we require one new interface is like what? Entry, right? Exactly. Guys, now your all entries are there in the set, right? SS, right? Exactly. Your all entries are there in the set, guys. That's what SS dot. On the set, I can apply the iterator cursor. As on the set, we can apply what? Iterator cursor. Iterator cursor returns which object, guys? Here? Iterator object, right? Iterator of what? Iterator of ITR we have to check. You see, on the SS, I'm getting the iterator object. Now SS contains what? SS contains entries, right? Now, by using this iterator, what type of data we have to read? We have to read only integers or strings or both we have to read using this iterator. We have to read both. Both means what? Can I make the entry interface here again? Yes, where you want to represent the both key and value, then we have to make it as an entry. Where you want to represent both key and value. See guys, entry is there. A map entry nothing but key value pair. Yes, map entry is nothing but what? Key value pair, right? Exactly. Yes, you can take the as usual while loop. While of what to check the data existed or not existed. ITR dot what? ITR dot as next method, right? ITR dot has next method. It returns a true. Then ITR dot which method gets here? Next method. Yes, next method what it returns now? Is it returns the string integer both? It returns string or integer, both. Both means what? Again, entry I have to take, right? Then yeah, entry again I have to take here. So here you can take the e variable. Guys, now e contains what? Every entry, right? Yes, e contains every entry. In that case, e dot I can call it get key. E dot get key means now key is what type of data? Guys, now key is what type of data? Now
Integer.
key is integer data. Then I can take the integer I, right? Exactly. Then I can print the integer value. This is how it controls base. I value can print. This is integer. E dot can I use a get value method? Get value method means then what happens, guys? Here? Get value method means what return data? String, right? String, yes, I can take. String. Yes, get key means what? It returns the key, guys. Just you can get the key here. So I'm printing the key here. Get value means what, guys? It returns the value now, v. So string type of value is there. This is our control space what? V, right? That's all, guys. First case you're getting only keys. Second case you're getting the values. Third case you're getting entry set. Entry set means returns all the entries. On the entries returns stored into set object. That word ss dot which method I'm using here? Iterator method, right? Ss dot iterator method then returns iterator object, right? Exactly, guys. Is it clear now? Just you can, guys. Only thing is like entry set returns the entries. How can we represent the entries? Means this is a syntax. Entry interface required. Guys, how can you represent the data means what? Entry interface required, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can run this code once here, run this code. If you run this code, you got the output like this. These all are the key value pairs, right? This is the first key, the second key value, this is the third key value, this is the fourth key value. To get the keys, key set method, to get the values, values method, to get the both key and values, entry set method we have to use. Exactly. This is the first example, guys. We try to check this first example. Yes, linked hash map means again the same points you can take. Linked hash map means same thing like 5 points, 5 points only. Linked hash map, which is from which version, guys? Java 1.4 version we have. And what is the difference between this these 5 points and these points? Only which one is different, guys? Yes, what is the difference between hash map and linked hash map? So this class, tell me here the point.
Insertion order.
Linked hash map means these guys are using with predictable insertion order, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This class with this class with predictable insertion order, right? Exactly.
No, not insertion, iteration order, sir.
Iteration order means like insertion order only. Iteration order in the sense what? Which order we inserted, same order will get output. English is like that. They are doing English like that.
Okay.
Yeah, see this one, insertion order. He is taking the data. See, note this that insertion order is not affected in the key is resetted in the map, right? So it's not like affected in the insertion order. And this is like implementations are what, guys? Hash table and linked list. These implementations are what? Hash table implementation previously. Now it is a hash table and the linked list implementations. Exactly. Yes, it contains how many constructors total here? 5 constructors are there, right? This is an example for that. This is the example about the linked hash map, guys. Yes, you try to check this example. I'm getting the data like as previously I'm inserting what type of data? Normal integer and string, right? Exactly. Yes, but this example, anyone can please check once immediately. This example, what we are doing. This example, I'm storing the keys are what?
Object.
These are employees, values are students, right? Exactly. Guys, here get key. Get key means what type of data will get now? Employee data. This is an assignment, guys. You try to check this example, okay? You have to understand this example. Get key means what? Employee data. Get value means what? Student data. Once the get key employee data is coming, employee.eid, employee.ename will get, right? So student.sid, student.sname, right? Exactly. Yes, yes or no? And this is example talking about adding one map into another map. See, guys, here, triple one is there, triple two is triple one, triple two is there, triple three is there, triple four is there, something like this. Simply we can add h1 data into h2, right? Here you can add the constructor data. Yes or no? This is like adding one collection, one map data into what? Another map, right? Just a h1 data, just I'm passing to h2, right? That's a h2 constructor, right? Yes or no? This is nothing but what? Adding, tell me guys, adding one map data into what? Another map, right? Exactly. Yes, you try to complete this assignment, guys. Linked hash map, take the product object with the product ID, product name, product cost, and take the customer object, which is like customer ID, customer name, customer mobile number. Product with product ID, product name, product cost. Insert the four objects, guys. Read the keys, read the values, read the entries. Guys, are you clear now? Read the keys, read the values, and read the entries. Read the keys and read the values and what? Read the entries, right? This is like first day of map, and we'll discuss one more day. Tomorrow have the class. We will meet in tomorrow. We'll think about what? Some more part, some more second class about the map. Tomorrow we'll complete the map data, guys. Yeah. Bye guys, tomorrow we'll meet. Ciao, 9 a.m.
So can you ask Srikanth to upload the Saturday first class?
Yeah, definitely. I'll check today after the class, advanced Java classes, right? After advanced Java class, I'll check both and I'll upload everything. Just now itself. I will take care of it. He didn't tell me actually regarding that video and regarding the yesterday class also. Bye guys, tomorrow we'll meet.